Hi guys, Grandad's going to try a bit of cooking again, inspired by my grandson. We've got a Betty Crocker Velvety Vanilla Cake Mix. We need 90 grams of melted butter, 180 millilitres of milk and 3 medium eggs. So over here, I've just measured out the butter. What's left there we'll use to grease the tin. That fella. That looks pretty well greased to me. Right, I'm going to just pop the butter in the microwave to melt it. Beat the eggs, water, oil and cake mix, or in our case we're using butter and milk, together and whisk by hand or electric mixer. Well, we have an electric mixer. Can Grandad break eggs? One. Two. 3. Don't say anything about adding it in separately. 'Just going to wipe my hands. Yeah, that goes in there. That goes in there. Are we switched on? No. Okay. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes or until smooth and creamy. That looks smooth and creamy. So, pour it into the tin. Right, cleaned it off the stirrer things. Right. And now, stick it in the oven. 27 minutes. see my magic hand working in the background there, setting the oven. Fan assisted oven 160. We are going to slice it in half when it's cooked, rather than try and cook two separate pieces. Right, it says 22 to 27 minutes. Set it to 25 minutes for now, and we'll have a look when it's done. Right, we're 25 minutes in, so we're going to have a look. I'm going to stab it and see if it comes out clean. Ooh,
no, that's not.
That's still soft on top. I can see it's bouncing up and down there, so it's not cooked yet. So definitely no point in trying to stab it at the moment. We'll give it a few more minutes.
Keep going.
Nanny's hassling me because she wants to cook our tea. I'll give it 5 more minutes. Right, here we go again. Ooh. So just stab it there.
Yeah.
And that's still soft.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still soft.
Yeah.
Oh. Just burnt my fingers. Right. More time then. Oh dear, our dinner's going to be late tonight. Grandad's in trouble. Here we go again. That came out clean.
Good.
Right, now we've got to try and open this thing. Yeah, I think we'll let that cool down a bit before we try and get it off, and then we've got to slice it eventually and put the jam on. Right, I've let it cool down. Yeah, it's cooled down now. We're going to attempt to slice it right the way through, lift the top off, put some jam on it, and then put it back down again. Now I did damage it when I was trying to get it off the tray earlier, if you watched carefully. So we have actually got a split on the back there. Well, we'll just find out, won't we? I'm clearly treading on Nanny's territory here. She was all over the place while I was cooking it. She's sitting watching television now. So hopefully, that tastes nice. Yeah, hopefully I can get on and do this. Yeah, it's falling apart a little bit at the back here. But I think we'll be okay. The big question is, oh yes, that looks fine. So apart from the loose bits around the edges, which I'll tidy up, we're okay. I reckon a little bit more. Right. Well, that bit's a bit loose as well, isn't it? Right. Well, there we go. Not exactly what they suggested in there. They wanted cream and jam on it. But we've reined it back a little bit there. And we did it in a single one instead of two separate cooking, whatever you call them, baking trays. So that's it. And I can tell you, the bits that I've already pinched off the outside taste absolutely fine. Cooking with Grandad. Right, Nanny wants a cup of tea and a piece of cake. I think we can say job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.